word straight up.
Hello, welcome back, y'all. Okay, so if you've already saw the title and the thumbnail, you know what we're about to talk about. Okay, and yes, your girl is feeling herself. Okay, I've had my locks, of course, you know, 3 different journeys, of course, for over 3 years. So I haven't had any added hair long like this in a long time. And I'm feeling myself, okay? Now, I am Demiki, also known as Coco Monroe, and also the real Coco Monroe. Okay, so on this channel, we do a little bit of everything. As you see, hair, lock content, fashion content, plus size hauls, and then we sprinkle in some commentary and every now and again, maybe a vlog, okay? So with that being said, if you're interested in any of that, definitely stay tuned. So this is the Equal Cuban Twist super long hair in 24 inches. Okay, so it does have that kinky texture that I was looking for. So I did start with 2 packs of the Marley hair, 24 inches. I did end up having to go back and get a 3rd pack because I ran a little low once I got towards the front of the hair. Okay. Now this is 24 inches, so it's really long. And it feels a bit heavy, not too heavy, not too bad, but a bit heavy. But I'm thinking it could be because I have not had this much extension hair in my head in a while. So that might be what it is. Now, if you know me, if you're no newcomer to my channel, you know that I like carefree, effortless styles and styling. So by no means did we do a lot of parting. We didn't use a whole lot of product because I don't want product build up in my locks. You know, we still have to protect the integrity of the lock, okay? But we still want to look cute. So we did what I call, pretty much these are kind of large. I would say large. These are kind of like pretty much large Marley twists, okay? I did use the color, is it 530? I think it's 530 on the pack, so it gives that burgundy color. That's my staple signature color. So I was in love. I was in love. Okay, so it ended up taking me probably in total, probably about 4 hours. But now the only reason is that I did stop. I went and got some Dunkin'. I picked up my daughter from work. And then I had to stop by the store and get another pack of hair. Okay. So it probably would have been more about 2.5, maybe 3 hours if it wasn't for all of that in between that I did. But I'm loving it, y'all. I did pretty much just kind of let the ends did what they wanted to do. I wanted it to be a more messy look, not too neat, but you know, more of a messy look. But it's getting pretty neat. It's getting pretty neat. Now, of course, because I have Microlocs under these, my parts aren't perfect. You know, some of them I grabbed about 4 locks. Some of them I grabbed 3 locks. It just depends on the sizing of that section that I was using. I only used rose water for this style. I did go back after and add oil to the parting, but I kept it really simple. I actually need a retwist or slash retightening, but I'm giving it a little while and I'll be doing a repair and there will be a video for that. So stay tuned. This hair did come pre-parted and I used 1 piece for each twist. Now, I'll also say this. The color is a little more vibrant of a burgundy slash red than I hoped for. But all in all, I am not mad at it. turned out to be so gorgeous. Okay. So I was like, this is going to be our Christmas and holiday style. We're going to rock our, yes, we're going to rock our Marley twist. And I'm loving it, y'all. So of course, now, if y'all have any questions about the style, I definitely inserted some clips of me actually during the install process, showing you all how I did it. I did it more of a knotless braid type of technique, as you can see. Here I am installing another twist. Okay, so I think this one is right around 4 braids. So we're doing it more like a knotless method here. So we start with the braid, and I probably braid 2 or 3 times before I add the hair. I then braid like 2 or 3 more times and then start twisting the hair. And then, of course, when I am close to the end, then I start to braid to secure the twist. My locks, and then I added the hair as I go. And then I started with a braid. I did start with a braid, and then I started to twist. Okay, I twisted them all the same direction. And then I did also start to braid at the very ends, just to kind of protect the twist from unraveling. Okay. But y'all, let me get off this camera because I'm over here eating myself up. So if y'all have any questions, definitely jump down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this style. And again, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for your support. I have been uploading some shorts. I've been over on TikTok doing a little bit here and there. So definitely check me out over there as well. And again, thank you all so much for watching. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. And until next time, bye guys.